So good morning everyone. So today we will discuss all about the hashtag that uses in our code. So first is include iStream. So it includes standard outputs, input stream operation like cout and cin. So the second one is include connew. So common for Windows environments. It provides console input and output function like kb, hit, and gauge for handling keyboard without pressing enter. So the third one is thread. Provide support for using threads. Use here to pause the game loop. So next is include chrono. Provide time-related utilities used with thread for precise pausing or sleep for. So next is include cstdlib. Includes general utilities, especially system for clearing the screen and runs. So next is hashtag include ctime. So provide time function like time used to see the random numbers generator. So next is using namespace st. So this line bring the std standards namespace into scope, allowing you to use elements like cout and cin directly without prefixing them with std. Next is hashtag define a preprocessor directive used to define a macro. Here it creates aliases for ANSI escape codes which control text color in the console. So next is constant or constant integer. So it's defined a value that cannot be changed during program execution. So these good practices for defining fixed game boundaries. So next is end. So standard integers variables used for storing numbers like coordinates, scores, and difficulty settings. So next is constant integer width, which is 32 and the height is 22. Then the game width is 30 and the height is 18. That's all.
Main function. In C++, every program starts in the main function. This is where the computer begins reading and running your code. Variables. Variables are like containers that store data such as numbers or true or false values. Int. Used for whole numbers, difficulty and delay. Variables that will store numbers. Basket pause. Starts at the center of the game with data types shown. Int, which whole number 1 through 3. Bool, true or false. Input and output syntax. Input or sin. This is used to get information from the user. It waits for the user to type a number 1, 2, or 3. Output. This prints text on the screen. The computer displays this message so the user knows what to enter. Switch statement. A switch statement checks a variable and chooses what to do based on its value. This is used for difficulty selection. 1. Easy. 2. Medium. 3. Hard. Difficult. If the user enters something invalid. That's all. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. My topic is loop, if-else condition, and keyboard random and system. First is loop. While game over keeps the game running until it's over. For end, we draw the game over border by printing multiple times. Second, if-else condition. Condition control decision. If bump, check if something is a bump and reacts. Detects keyboard input to move the player. Last, keyboard random and system. Keyboard movement detects key press and move the basket if R press. Random number. Picks a random fruit position using run and is run time 0. System command. Clear the screen with system, Windows, or system clear and Linux Mac.
Fruit Boom games. It appears to catch the falling object style game where the players control the basket at the bottom of the screen to catch apple while avoiding the booms. So here breakdown of what each section of code does. So clearing screen. So hashtag if diff win32 system CLS. Hashtag else system clear. Hashtag and if. The purpose, this clear the previous frame from the console windows before drawing the new one. This create an illustration of animation. Cross-platform. It check if the operating system Windows Win32 to run CLS. Otherwise, like on Linux or Mac, it runs Cliff. Drawing the header. Top border. For loop, draw a line of sign in sign color. That's why we draw a line and sign. Title box. It prints Fruit Boom game inside a decorator box using uncoded character like emoji. Like for example, apple and boom. Score, it displays the current score variable. Game field. It is the core visualization logic. It uses nested loop to draw a coordination system. Outer loop, inner loop. So outer loop iterate through the row height, and inner loop x iterate through the column weight. Inside this loop, the code decide what the parent of each specific xy coordination. So the left and the right borders print at the start and end to the very row. The following object. It check if y, fruit y, and x, xy. If the current drawing coordinate match the following object, the boom is print a emoji in black, and the fruit apple print F. This condition check if they pass K, L, or I. If the basket position, basket pose, if greater than 0, basket pose. If the left K has passed and the basket is not at the left eagle, this line decommit basket.